So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to hard reset or factory reset your Google Nest camera. Now this one is the Google Nest battery and it's all set up and working, currently running. And to perform a factory reset, first of all, you have to go to the app. This is the Google Home app on your phone, either Android or iOS, whichever phone it is. Then go to your camera's tile, open your camera. And with the camera page open, just tap on the settings wheel icon in the top right corner and select select remove device. Okay, so tap on that and confirm you want to remove device. Having done that, now go to the camera itself, detach it from the magnetic plate, and then now holding the camera like this, at the bottom of the camera, you should see this reset button. Okay, so it's just a button, nothing too fancy. And what you need to do is press and hold this button for about 12 seconds. Okay, now just use anything that can get in here, but nothing too sharp so that it doesn't destroy the camera. Just press and hold for about 12 to 15 seconds. Okay, so press and hold. Just press, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. You can actually count to about 15 seconds. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I can assume it's reset. Okay, so there's no light on the camera, and now you can attach it back to its magnetic plate, and as you can see, there's no light on the camera, and that should tell you the camera has been successfully factory reset. And that's basically how to reset your Google Nest camera. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.